How to hide Instagram profiles from phone contacts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. From there, tap onto your profile on your bottom right. As you do so, you will see a 3-bar icon on your top right. Tap open that option. Here you will see Account Center. Tap open it. And under Account Settings, you will see your information and permissions. As you tap open that option, you will see Upload Contacts. Tap open it, then tap onto your Instagram account, and if this option is toggled on, then you have to untoggle this option. If the option is toggled, all of your contacts will be synced with your Instagram account. If you don't want to sync it, then you have to untoggle this option, then you'll be good to go. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.